Selamat sore, ini video nomor 456 ya. For Julia, Israeli, my friend, I make this video for you, special for you. Jadi saya bikin dua bahasa ya, mudah-mudahan kamu ngerti. If you want to know the future of Indonesia and Israel, you have to know that Indonesia is the history and the Israel is the future. Indonesia adalah sejarah dan Israel adalah masa depan. Kenapa saya ngomong begitu? Because you check on the Bretton Woods system. It's based on American Jew, British Empire, China, and Dutch Empire. And you have to know that this four element was the history of the World Bank. Kira-kira begitu. Jadi, kalau Anda ingin tahu kenapa Israel itu di backup oleh Amerika, because American Jew, British, China Empire, and Dutch Empire, thus this four is the founder of the World Bank. Jadi, apakah bedanya Bank Dunia dengan yang lain ya? Misalnya, ya katakanlah Israeli Bank. What is the difference between Israeli Bank and the World Bank? The World Bank is the one who can create the money. So, Bank Dunia adalah organisasi yang menciptakan uang, mencetak uang. Dan uangnya itu didasarkan dari three empire. China Empire, Japan Empire, and Dutch Empire. The Dutch Empire is Indonesia. Kenapa Indonesia itu dijadikan dasar pendirian World Bank? Karena kalau if you check on the map ya, you check on the map, especially the Roman map ya, petanya orang Romawi, there is no Indonesia. Nggak ada Indonesia. You only have Europe, Northern Africa, Middle East, Japan, and China. No Indonesia. Indonesia itu tidak dikenal oleh orang-orang Eropa dan Rome Kingdom. Oleh karena itu, harta satu-satunya yang selamat pada waktu Perang Dunia Kedua adalah Dutch Indies, Indonesia. Jadi, kembali lagi kepada pertanyaan, kenapa you have to know Indonesia? Because the history of Bretton Woods was based on Dutch Indies. Without the history, you cannot predict the future. Kenapa Israel itu disayang oleh Amerika? Karena petrodollar. Tanpa petrodollar, Israel nggak dibutuhkan. Tetapi, sudah 80 tahun petrodollar itu sudah nggak diperlukan lagi. Sekarang itu mobil udah pakai listrik. They don't need petrol. Maybe hydrogen car, but not a petrol car. Jadi, petrodollar era is over. That's why Israeli cannot assume that America will back you up because there is no more future for petrol. What's the future? You have to check the finance. Finance. That's why if you want to be the number one country in the world, still number one, yeah, just like before, earlier, because of petrodollar, you have to check the finance dollar. Finance dollar in the future is for Islam and for Africa. these two countries the only population that are growing. If you don't have Islamic and African population, the world will collapse. That's why, for the future of Israeli, you have to go to Ethiopia or Egypt or Nigeria. And then you can create the future of finance dollar backed with the Israeli mindset and Islamic and African population. That is the future. Jadi, era di mana Amerika itu membackup Israel sudah bubar. It's over. It's over. It's over since Joe Biden finished the term. Sekarang, no more American Israel. Unless Israel will create the financial hub for the Africa in Ethiopia, Egypt, or Africa, Nigeria. That's the future. Thank you.